Oberk Rinseless Wash is an eco-friendly and biodegradable formula for cleaning your car. Whether you have water use restrictions like California and other states, or you just want to be more earth-friendly and consume water resources, Oberk Rinseless is the perfect tool. Oberk Rinseless Wash is great for a variety of uses, including quick detailer, waterless wash, clay lubricant, a drying aid, or even an interior detailer that's safe and easy to use without damaging your screens or other delicate interior surfaces. With easy-to-follow instructions on the bottle, you can use it for any one of these uses, and the cap makes it perfect for mixing. For our 32-ounce bottle, our cap size measures 1/2 of an ounce, and for our gallons, it measures 1 ounce, which makes it very easy to dilute and mix up your bottles. Oberk Rinseless Wash is built up of a polymer package that helps encapsulate and remove dirt from the surface without scratching, and the safest way to wash your car without the use of a hose or additional water resources. If you want to find out more about Oberk Rinseless Wash or any of our products, make sure you visit oberkcarcare.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube at Oberk Car Care.